Hello, I'm your host Rajesh and welcome to my channel Outings with Rajesh. Today we are going to visit the famous Thoseghar waterfalls in Satara district. Thoseghar is about 135 kilometers from Pune and you have to travel via Shirwal and Satara city to reach Thoseghar. Make sure you leave early so you can avoid the traffic. You have to cross Satara city and proceed on the road towards Sajjangarh. We saw that this hill road was very nice, scenic, and the weather was very pleasant too. On our way, we saw a nice view of the Urmodi Dam. The rolling black clouds indicated that it was going to be a rainy day. There is ample space to park your vehicles at Thoseghar waterfalls. You have to pay 50 rupees per head as entry fees to the waterfalls. There are well-made walkways and steps with supports to walk. Surprisingly, there was very less crowd even on this Sunday morning. It was a good decision to reach early. You should visit the big waterfall site first. Take left at this point. This whole walkway goes through nice lush green tree cover and is really refreshing. Enjoy this nature walk with me. Make sure you follow the instructions displayed at places. Soon we descend down to the site of the big waterfalls. There is a well-made safe viewpoint to watch these spectacular waterfalls. Enjoy the views. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly consider subscribing. A 5-minute walk then takes you to the small waterfall. The small waterfall is the part of the waterfall which is smaller in height, but it is stupendous with huge volume of water flowing through it. Though this is a small waterfall, you will enjoy this more as you can stand so close to this magnificent fall and even enjoy the splashing water droplets. Now sit back and appreciate the beauty of this place. Besides this small waterfall, there is a cave in the rocks and you can go in this 50 feet long cave. At the innermost end of the cave, you are actually below the waterfall and feel the water flowing outside the cave. This walk in the cave is a thrilling experience which you should not miss. That ends our visit to the Thoseghar waterfalls as we walked the steps to reach the parking lot. If you want to enjoy the serene beauty of this place, make sure you visit the place on weekdays as it will be less crowded. Thanks for watching my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly consider subscribing. See you at another place.